We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog. We're going to break down all the data, what it's showing right now in the charts. There's some strength here, but things are pretty close. But we're going to go over the data together. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, every single morning we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Prog and all the data that it is showing. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and even though the stock market was pulling downwards, we managed to find a home run. We strive for opportunities like these every single morning, and if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the three stocks I mentioned. Every single one of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was DTST. We caught this one in the pre-market when it was consolidating under a bear indicator going into weakness, sat sideways with some strength here on 42 vision, and ultimate 42 vision right after the bell sent a bull indicator. We could see that strength, and it hit a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let me share with you guys an upgrade that's coming soon as well. And this actually let us know way before the pullback that was happening. And let me show you guys when it sent out the alert. It's the SPY bot. It sent the SPY 5-minute bear indicator at 11:45 a.m. And from that point forward, you could see it here as well. So those that have 42 vision will be able to see it in the charts as well to confirm, see what's going on. And from that moment forward, it just saw the weakness that was coming. And the SPY did pull back significantly, several points, as you could see it here, nearly 2%. So once again, if you want to get on early with us and know about opportunities before they happen, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and it continues to hold above a key support of $2. I've talked about how important it is, $2, and we're going to look at it here with Ultimate 42 Vision. And by the way, you can now gain access to Ultimate 42 Vision as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision Premium Indicators. You will receive access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, a community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve. So if you have 42 Vision, the first thing you would have noticed is the transition from green to green with red borders, and then red and extreme weakness, as well as that bear indicator from Ultimate 42 Vision. You would have saw this coming all day today. Now, it was sitting sideways towards the end of the day, and it held above $2. This is super important to realize because we keep on retesting these lows here, and we have not broken through it. That is some strength for the bulls, but I stated in yesterday's video that if the bears reappeared, I was going to be watching on the 30-minute and 4-hour for this bull indicator to hold true, or if it gets negated by a bear indicator, and if we went into weakness, and if we did go into weakness, the bears and shorts were going to try to retest $2, and with the data, it was showing that they had strength to manipulate and play around with it, right? And I stated some key things, which we're going to look at the data together, that if certain numbers moved a certain way, we would know that the same shorts that covered and made it go up from here to here are the same shorts that are reshorting back down to $2. Like literally, you could see it just by the behavior in the charts. So we're going to break it all down. We're going to look at the data, and then we're going to look at it here on the 4-hour and 1 day as well, because those are some key metrics to see how far this weakness extended. Is this bear indicator just volatility, or is it going to hold true and try to turn the 4-hour and the 1 day into it as well? But before we look over the 4-hour and the 1 day, let's look at the data together. The first thing is the days to cover has gone up. This could put some pressure on the shorts at these levels. Now, short interest is still showing 14%, But this is what I talked about yesterday. If that number went up, we would see it reflect, and we're going to look at it. This number right here, okay, look right over here. We've looked at it together. Short squeeze score is a big metric to know what's going on, but most of all is the short volume ratio and the short shares availability. If this number has gone down from yesterday to today, it was 1.9 million. That will show that the short volume ratio is true and it went up. Let's look at it together. And there it is, 1.8 million. So some of those same shorts have covered and reshorted, and 100,000 of the short shares have actually been reshorted. And it's probably even more than that, okay? And if we go over here, the borrow fee rate keeps on going lower, and you could see those numbers going up, guys. From 38, it went to the 40s. We're still in the 40s. The pressure is nearly almost 50% of short volume ratio per day, and you could see it in the short shares availability being less, as well as the one thing that I see giving some type of strength to the bulls, if they can hold up long enough above $1, is the days to cover going higher. Okay, 1.01. Still pretty low though, to give them the flexibility to reshort and also push it right back up by covering and then reshort at these levels. So right now, this is showing some strength from the 180s to the $2 range, but we do not want to see this break through $2. I think that is a very important support level. If that gets broken through, this could go into further weakness. And I have stated that the short squeeze possibility is getting weaker and weaker to reflect what has happened in the past. This was the first time the short squeeze started way back here in October. That's when I talked about it. It was the first time I made a video on it when it pulled back, and I stated it may not make sense right now, but this is one of the top short squeeze possibilities. And all of October, it went up towards the 4s, pulled back, and squeezed again in November, okay? If you go back to those videos, October 4th, October 5th, I talked about PROG way before all of this happened. And on the way down, it has had multiple opportunities, but the shorts keep on manipulating with the data and everything going on. So the key support right now is $2. If that gets broken through, this is going into further weakness, and it will be important to watch how it reacts between $2 and 180. Let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour. So the 4-hour, you could see things are pulling back drastically, and it's having two red bars back to back. If this continues, all it takes is one bear indicator over here, and it could go into further weakness and possibly break through $2. So the stock is in a tight spot. Is it possible to have a short squeeze? Yes. Through the data, there's so much potential here, but the shorts need to get trapped. I'm going to be watching the 4-hour. I'm going to be watching the 1 day as well, because things have shifted. As I stated, these green bars needed to be stronger. If not, it could go into weakness. It shifted into red. If this continues, another red one back to back, that is going to be a true step into weakness where we need to watch this carefully. And if it breaks through 180 to 150. So we don't have to think about that just yet, but that is something to be aware of and see what's going on. But based off the 30-minute, it shifted into bear indicator, went into extreme weakness. And usually when this extreme weakness happens, there tends to be reversals. But remember, some are weaker than others and some are stronger than others. It all depends if you get that bull indicator, you get that full strength and momentum of shorts getting trapped. If this could break through 240, I'm sure there's shorts up here that could get trapped based off the data and how the charts have reacted. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money. If you made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and I really do appreciate the fact that you guys find value in everything that I share and update every single day. If it's your first time coming across the channel, thank you as well. And if you're a frequent viewer, I want you guys to be aware, new or frequent, that you have more to obtain than just these YouTube videos. I offer more than just these YouTube videos, and as you could see on the screen, these are the home runs of the day today. And if you look closely at the charts, you could see the strength and weaknesses within the chart with 42 vision, going from red to green and from green to red when there's weakness and strength, and also the placements of these bull and bear indicators, which is the new upgrade that just got released. Every single investor is loving it and maximizing on opportunities with the clarity that it brings through the volatility. And you can receive this now as well. The 42 vision indicator link is down below in the description. And by joining the 42 vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, home runs that I strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility of the markets, guys. And these work live in action within the charts, within the volatility, to bring clarity, simplify, and enhance the charting experience, no matter what experience you have in trading and in charting, guys. Check out the link down below if you haven't already to see everything there is to offer. And once again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.